this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of January 31st, 2020. Here are some upcoming events. Our next open houses for students new to PBMA will be Saturday, February 1st and Saturday, February 29th. 10 a.m. at the elementary campus and 11 a.m. at the secondary campus. Please let any friends who might be interested in registering know. In addition, this is a great time for incoming kindergartners to see our school and fifth graders to see what our middle school has to offer. Middle school boys basketball has a home game against Bright Futures at the Salvation Army, 4051 Kirk Road in Lake Worth. The fifth grade safety patrol will be visiting Washington, D.C. from February 10th to February 13th. We can't wait to hear all about it. On February 20th from 5 o'clock p.m. until 7 o'clock p.m., we will participate in a McDonald's McTeacher event. The elementary teachers will serve food at the brand new Lantana McDonald's store located in the back of the school. Please come out for dinner to support this fundraiser. The class who has the most students participating will win Happy Meals for the entire class. We are very happy to partner with the new owners. February 26th and 27th is our amazing Marine Lab field trip to Key Largo for secondary students. There are still openings for this hands-on snorkeling marine ecology experience. Don't miss this incredible opportunity. Please see Miss Murphy if you are interested. Save the date for our next Atlantis Gateway Night on Thursday, February 27th at 6 o'clock p.m. The following day, Friday, February 28th, is a teacher workday and there is no school. We will be selling beautiful wood roses for Valentine's Day at the elementary school. Roses are $2 each or 2 for $3. They are gorgeous and they will last forever. Students can order them in advance and pick out their roses on the afternoon of Friday, February 14th. Kindergarten visited Manatee Lagoon. Let's see the pictures. Here are some pictures of the 7th grade trip to the Solid Waste Authority. And finally, here are some pictures and videos of Literacy Week. Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information throughout the school year. I'm Mrs. Cooper. Thanks for watching. And remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.